Redlands Motors, the pioneer agricultural machinery manufacturer from India, proudly presents its most advanced track combine harvester for rice. The highlights of the Redlands Champion TR22 are fully hydraulic drive, a world's first for small rice track harvester combines. Advantages of the hydraulic drive system are: service intervals for hydraulic systems are between 4,000 and 5,000 hours against mechanical chain, and belt drives where the maintenance intervals is between 50 to 100 hours. Overload protection, as the load sensing valves that control the hydraulic system and disengage during an overload, unlike mechanic systems that continue to work till something breaks. Hydraulic systems do not need constant attention, reducing dependence on operator skills in maintenance. But chains and belts need to be monitored continuously. Enables precise control and setting of the right combination of reel, threshing drum, blower and sieve speeds with reference to field conditions such as density, height and yield. Mechanical drives are limited to set and can only be changed by interchanging mechanical components like sprockets, pulleys manually. Integrated bottom tank chassis. First time in the world with a grain capacity of 1,500 liters. In a rice harvester combine, the grain tank is the single most variable factor for unbalanced weight. Usually placed in the front, rear or sides, and is the major cause of sinking on softer fields while laden with grain. The TR22's grain tank integrated with the chassis and the bottom, so the weight is always balanced. Automatic Track Tension System (ATT). ATT extends the life of the track crawler by 80% or more. The most of the other systems which are manually adjusted, which is tedious and never done precisely by human beings and resulting in reducing track or crawler life. Stainless steel SS304 header and tank reduces downtime arising from breakages caused by corrosion that is accelerated by the fertilizer in the fields. Full straw ejection, a world's first for a longitudinal axial flow harvester combine. Due to the unique threshing drum design, the TR22 is gentle on the rice straw, which can be used for animal fodder, a common practice in Asia. Can be easily baled using our round straw baler SBA 330 or 400. However, on all other axial flow harvester combines, tangential or longitudinal, the rice straw is crushed and mangled after threshing, rendering it unfit for fodder.